Is it time to buy or sell Fortinet stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Fortinet. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2025, our system has ranked Fortinet as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 5.04%. This equates to an average loss of 0.84% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, a decline below the bottom trend line at $96.20 would signal a strong sell action, indicating a potential shift in the trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -0.576% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -0.97% to +10.61%. In the long term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 32.48%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 30.87% and 77.42% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $126.39 and $171.35. Our latest daily update for Fortinet reveals an interesting headline: Green Day on Wednesday for Fortinet stock after gaining nearly 0.4%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, the Fortinet stock price increased by nearly 0.4%, rising from $96.21 to $96.58. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.33%, with a low of $96.30 and a high of $97.58. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.07% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 3 million additional shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 6 million shares changed hands for approximately $626,004,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $114.82, while the lowest price reached $65. Currently, the stock is 15.89%, or $18.24, below the 52-week high of $114.82, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Fortinet has reported impressive second quarter results with earnings of 64 cents per share, surpassing estimates and showing growth from 57 cents per share last year. Revenue also climbed 14% year over year to reach $1,630 million, complemented by a 15% increase in billings, signaling strong operational performance. However, the company's forecast for the third quarter has raised concerns as it anticipates revenue below Wall Street estimates due to trade uncertainties, prompting a 12% drop in shares during extended trading. This mixed bag of results is likely to create volatility in the short term as investors weigh the strong performance against cautious guidance. Nonetheless, Fortinet's robust growth in recurring revenue, particularly in Unified Secure Access Service Edge and security operations, suggests a resilient business model. The expansion of FortiCloud indicates strategic investments that could enhance competitiveness. Long-term prospects look favorable, given Fortinet's investment in cloud and artificial intelligence technologies, which position it well in a rapidly evolving cybersecurity landscape. Continued focus on providing comprehensive solutions will likely attract sustained investor interest, making Fortinet a potential buy for those looking toward future growth amidst current fluctuations. Overall, while immediate reactions may drive volatility, the solid fundamentals keep investor outlook optimistic in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned FTNT a grade of peer perform with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned FTNT a grade of neutral with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned FTNT a grade of market perform with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned FTNT a grade of buy with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned FTNT a grade of hold with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Fortinet stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Fortinet. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 0.385%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term development. The Fortinet stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $99.30 and $103.06. A break above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 64 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fortinet. Fortinet finds support from accumulated volume at $96.21. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and maintains substantial trading volume, categorizing the risk as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.28 between its high and low, representing 1.33%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Fortinet, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 59 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Fortinet. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fortinet is at $97.74. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Fortinet encounters its first support level at $96.21. If this support level holds, it could be an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Fortinet from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Michael, who bought and sold 24,624 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 13.773. In total, insiders have purchased 4,241,882 shares and sold 3,143,075 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Fortinet stock a good buy? Currently, Fortinet presents several concerning signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative outlook for this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect Fortinet to open higher by 240 cents, starting at $96.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.